It's me Zoe here, and here's a clarification for my new playlist. It's called Me for Life, and it has some songs that I really like, and that I want to share with you guys. But yeah, on my second channel, it has the same name. If you want, you can watch it. I don't put a lot of videos on because you know how my I don't have enough space inside my storage on my iPad, so that's why. But yeah, I just wanted to say that to clarify that right now. But yeah, so if you're over at my old channel, please subscribe to here. I'm going to like this video so that way like it will be on my page. And yeah, I'm sorry, see you later, guys. Bye. Subscribe for more videos. Peace out.